Tired of paying for Twilio services you're no longer using? Let's walk through how to cancel your Twilio account and, most importantly, get that sweet refund balance back. First things first, log into your Twilio account. Once you're in, look for your user profile icon. Usually in the top right corner, click on it and select Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down, and I mean all the way down, until you find the Account Closure section. Click on that link. It's usually written in smaller letters. Okay, this is important. Read the warnings carefully. Twilio will permanently delete your data. Make sure you've backed up anything important before proceeding. Once you're sure, check the confirmation box. After checking the box, a confirmation code will appear. Copy this code and paste it into the provided field, then smash that Close Account button. Now, for the refund, head over to the Twilio Support Center. You can find it through a quick Google search or on their website. Search for refund policy to understand their guidelines. The easiest way to request a refund is by contacting Twilio Support directly. You can either submit a support ticket through their website or email them. Be sure to include your account ID and the reason for your refund request. And that's it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to a cancelled Twilio account and your rightful refund. Be patient with the refund process, as it might take a few days to process. Good luck.